Let's help language grow.
Hi, my name is Liz Heisler. I'm an Assistive Technology Consultant with PRC-Saltillo. I support Saltillo products in Central Illinois, Southeast Iowa, and Southwest Chicago. There are lots of simple ways to model and teach language during daily routines at home. I want to show you some ways to use the word open today. The first example would be to open the door to go outside. So here we can just go ahead and select open, and we can open the door. Another way to use the word open in your everyday language is in the kitchen while you're eating or snacking or making a new meal. We can practice to open a treat. My favorite treat is dark chocolate, so here we can hit open and then open our favorite treat. Enjoy! Another way to use open is during playtime. Here we have a bag of blocks, and we can request to open that bag when we want to play. And then we can play. I hope you find time to use open this week. Thank you.